Experience ultimate comfort with APlus Plumbing's advanced hydronic heating, your home's new heartbeat. Transform your living experience with APlus Plumbing's state-of-the-art hydronic heating systems, tailored for grand residential spaces. Our innovative technology circulates warm water through a sealed network of pipes, ensuring uniform temperature distribution in every corner of your house. Imagine stepping onto warm floors on a chilly morning, or relaxing in a room with perfectly balanced warmth. That's the luxury our systems bring. Choose APlus Plumbing for a silent, dust-free heating solution that prioritizes your health and comfort.